Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change or customize the wallpaper on your WhatsApp application in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your WhatsApp. Now here go to settings option here, and here go to chat, and here go to default theme, chat themes, go there, and here you can see the option wallpaper. You can also change the theme of the chat, but I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper. First go, and here there are a lot of options you can choose. You can choose different type of patterns. You can also set a color like this one. It's a solid color, and after that just click it, and you can also customize the brightness of the wallpaper. You can swipe to change the color as we saw earlier, and after that just select the set option, and your the wallpaper will be changed, and it will affect all the chats. But if you want to personalize one chats, go to the chat. I'm gonna go to the chats again and go to the chat option. Let's say I'm gonna customize this chat, so I'm gonna select the icon, the profile icon here, and here go to chat theme, go here, and here the option are pretty similar. Like you can change the theme, also the wallpaper. Click it, and I'm gonna select this one solid color. Just select this one, and I'm gonna adjust the brightness and select set, and select set wallpaper here, and I will go back and see the wallpaper has changed. So this is for personal use, personal customization for a single person. The but the first one is for the whole chat. If you change that, the all of the chat on your WhatsApp will be changed. And so this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. I'll catch you guys in the